Hey guys, welcome to this Prompt Engineering Beginner's Guide. In this course, we will going to give you each and everything about prompt engineering. This course will really going to help you because inside this course, we will going to cover lots of important topics like what is artificial intelligence, what is natural language processing, what is large language models, and how this can help you for your prompt engineering. In this course, we will going to take the main example as ChatGPT and how its OpenAI platform can help you to do amazing prompt engineering that will going to help you to build lots of money. Along with that, we will going to give you idea about the Python. That means how you can integrate Python and your prompt engineering to take your prompt engineering project to the next level. So after completing this course, you will be 10x more productive, and also you can optimize your prompt and you can write very amazing prompts. Along with that, in this prompt engineering course, we will going to teach you all the important elements of prompts. It's nothing but it's like a recipe that will going to make your food very much yummy. So it's very much important for us to add these elements when we do prompt engineering. So we will discuss all of these inside this course. And along with that, we will also going to discuss about the limitations of large language model like ChatGPT, Google Bard, and any other language model, and how you can overcome it. That is also we will going to cover inside this course. So if you guys are interested and you want to explore basics about prompt engineering, so enroll inside this course. Okay, so inside this course, we will going to cover lots of topics. So what are the topics or what will be the course outline? That is what we will going to tell you now. Okay, so first of all, my friends, we will going to understand some basic terms which we use in prompt engineering, and that is very much important. Okay, so first will be NLP, LLM, AI, GPT. Now what are these terms and what their meaning is? That is what we will going to cover inside this course. Then we will going to discuss about some prompting use cases with real world examples. Then we will also going to cover some parameters like topi, temperature, etc, etc. And then we will also going to cover all the important skills to master for prompt engineering. So inside this free course, we will going to provide you lots of valuable knowledge that will going to help you a lot. Okay, so make sure that you watch this free course from starting to end. It will really going to help you. Okay, and also going to provide you lots of valuable information regarding prompt engineering. Okay,